At the Group Guarantee Title, it is our first priority to help walk you through the closing process of buying or selling a home. This process can be stressful, yet very exciting. Once you are prepared to move forward and you are ready to shop for a title company that will provide an owner's or lender's policy and closing services. Title insurance is not as well understood as other types of home insurance, but it's just as important. It protects the home buyer and their lender from the possibility that the seller or a previous seller didn't have free and clear ownership of the property. When purchasing a home, instead of purchasing the building or land, you are actually purchasing the title to the property, the right to occupy and use the space. However, that title may be limited by rights and claims asserted by others, which may inhibit your use and enjoyment of the property and even bring financial loss. Title insurance protects against these hazards and defects. Other types of insurance that protect your home focus on possible future events and charge an annual premium. Title insurance protects against loss from hazards and defects that already exist in the title and is purchased with a one-time premium. A title commitment is a document which discloses to the parties in a real estate transaction all the liens, burdens, and obligations that affect the property. The first page of your title commitment is the transmittal. It will disclose everyone involved with the transaction, how they can be contacted, and how they receive delivery of the commitment. The next two pages are the jacket to the title commitment, which disclose the burdens and obligations of our underwriter, Stewart Title Guarantee Company. Schedule A is a snapshot of the transaction. It shows the issue date, the date the title was created, the effective date, the date through which the county records can be searched, the proposed insured, buyer and or lender, and the types and liability amounts of the policies to be issued. How the seller holds title, both in name and the type of interest, the legal description, and the estimated statement of title fees. Most sellers will hold interest as fee simple, which is the most complete way to hold title. The legal description, as opposed to the address, sets this piece of property apart from every other piece of ground in the United States. The statement of charges will include the premium for the owner's policy, the owner's extended coverage, and the premium for the loan policy and their endorsements. Schedule B1, Requirements, shows all the items that must be cleared prior to the transfer of title. These may include releases of deeds of trust, payment of taxes and homeowners association dues, entity or estate documentation, releases of judgments and liens, and the new documents to transfer and encumber the property. Schedule B2, Exceptions, lists the exceptions to title. These items are not insured by the title company and are excluded from coverage. Typical exceptions include covenants, easements, mineral reservations, metropolitan districts, and the standard 5 exceptions. These 5 standard exceptions are found on every commitment, but may be removed or revised on the policy. We recommend that buyers with questions about specific exceptions contact a real estate attorney. Following Schedule B2 is a list of disclosures that we are statutorily required to give. These appear on every commitment but will not appear on your final policy. Following that are the privacy policies both for our underwriter and for our company. And the last page of your commitment are the wiring instructions to send funds for the closing.